Did you know that your Windows PC has a secret mode hidden inside it? A mode that brings together every single control panel setting, every configuration, and every advanced option, all in one place. Tech enthusiasts call it God Mode. And in this video, I'll show you how to unlock it in just a couple of steps. First, let's answer the big question. What exactly is God Mode in Windows? Well, it's not really a hack, and it's not even a cheat code. It's simply a special folder that gives you direct access to over 200 different Windows settings, from display options, to user accounts, to administrative tools. Think of it as a supercharged control panel where everything is organized in a single place. Let's dive in and unlock it. Step 1. Go to your desktop or any folder where you want to create this hidden mode. Step 2. Right-click, choose New, and then select Folder. Now here's the magic part. Rename the folder to exactly this. Don't worry, you'll find this in the description. As soon as you hit Enter, the folder icon will change into the familiar control panel icon. And congratulations, you've just enabled God Mode. Double-click it, and you'll see a huge list of every Windows setting available, neatly categorized and searchable. And that's how you unlock God Mode in Windows, a hidden feature that most people don't even know exists. It's quick, it's safe, and it can save you a ton of time when tweaking or troubleshooting your computer. So go ahead, give it a try, and see just how powerful it is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with someone who loves discovering hidden features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.